In this video, we'll show you how to change your Movistar Wi-Fi password step by step. The first thing we need to do is open a browser on our phone or computer and access our Movistar router settings. To do this, we can use the address shown on the router's label or access the configuration through Movistar's official portal. Once we're inside, we may need to sign in if the router asks for administrator credentials. It's important to use the correct router login details and not confuse them with the password we normally use to connect to the Wi-Fi network. After accessing the settings, we'll look for the section related to Wi-Fi, wireless network, or network settings. Here, we'll be able to view our connection details and change different options. Next, we'll look for the field corresponding to the Wi-Fi password. We'll simply enter the new password we want to use. It's recommended to create a strong password using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters, while avoiding information that is easy to guess. If our router has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, we should check whether the password change applies to both networks or whether we need to update each one separately. Once we've entered the new password, we'll save the changes. The router may take a few seconds to apply the new settings, and the Wi-Fi connection may temporarily restart. And that's it. As you can see, changing your Movistar Wi-Fi password is a fairly simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.